Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I'll be unboxing Samsung Note 9, which was launched in India yesterday, and this was ordered from Flipkart yesterday night and it was delivered today morning. So this is the packaging and I'll be unboxing this now. This is the box from Samsung. As you can see, there is a metallic copper color which shows this phone is metallic copper, and it is also available in two other colors, which is ocean blue and midnight black. Okay, let's check the box. Here is the price mentioned, and at the back of this there are specifications. This is 128 GB and 6 GB version. It is also available in 512 GB and 8 GB version. So now let's go for unboxing this phone. Okay, so this is the box after removing the plastic cover. We'll check the back to read the specifications. Okay, now we'll open this. So this is open like this, and okay, so we have something else and at the top. We'll check this out later. And this is the phone. Okay, we'll take this out. Oh, you can see this is the metallic copper color and it looks really good and feels good too. This has a glass body and this is 6.4-inch screen. And before we go any further on the phone, we will check what else is there in the box. Okay, so here is the fast charger which usually comes with Samsung devices, and this is OTG cable, and yeah, so here is the AKG earphones which is now coming along with the Samsung phones, and this is USB cable, and this is cable wrapper, and there are some earphone tips. So now let's go back to phone. Okay, so I'll be booting this phone now. Okay, so it's on and it will take some time to start. Okay, that was pretty quick. So I'll be doing the settings now. Okay, now we have done with the settings, so we'll check the highlights of this phone. This is the 6.4-inch AMOLED display, Super AMOLED display, and the front camera is 8 megapixel with 1.7 aperture, and there is a back camera, dual camera with variable aperture, which is also available in S9 Plus. And as you can see, the fingerprint scanner is moved from side to bottom, which is more convenient as compared to the Note 8. And other things about this phone is it has 845 Snapdragon processor, which is fastest processor available now. This is menu, and yeah, this is camera which has live focus, super slow-mo, air emoji, etc, etc. We'll check that out later. And now the best part of this phone is the stylus, which is also having Bluetooth. This is the stylus with metallic copper, and the ocean blue version has the yellow stylus. So we'll just see how it works. Okay, this is how it works, and this is really good. Okay, so we'll open the camera and we can take pictures with the stylus because it is connected through Bluetooth with the device. So now I'll be taking this picture. Okay, I'll use this object, and okay, as you can see, the picture is clicked, and now I'll be taking a selfie with this. Okay, so let's take a selfie with this S Pen. Yes, you can see the image is stored and the image quality is superb. Okay, apart from this, let's check out what other features are there. Okay, here on the left hand side there is a button to turn on the Samsung Assistant Bixby. Okay, and yeah, we'll see what else was there. There is a case and there is a SIM ejector tool. Okay, so we are done with the unboxing. Guys, I feel this phone is totally worth it. Maybe I'll be comparing this with other flagships in my later videos. But till then, thanks for watching and please like, comment and subscribe.